When it comes to bike security, finding a robust and reliable lock is essential for any cyclist. The Sportneer Bike Lock heavy-duty anti-theft Bike U Lock stands out in a crowded market, promising durability and peace of mind. Designed for those who want to protect their investment, the Sportneer U Lock comes with features that cater to both casual riders and dedicated cyclists alike. First and foremost, the construction of the Sportneer U Lock is impressive. Made from high-strength steel, it boasts an impressive resilience against cutting, sawing, and other forms of tampering. The shackle diameter measures a sturdy 16 mm, which significantly enhances its strength and deterrent factor. This heavy-duty design speaks directly to its anti-theft intentions, making it a formidable barrier against thieves who often look for the easiest targets. One of the standout features of this lock is its weather-resistant coating. The exterior is designed to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring that rust and corrosion do not affect performance over time. Whether it's a rainy day or a humid summer afternoon, you can depend on this lock to maintain its integrity. Additionally, the protective coating prevents scratches and damage to the bike frame, a thoughtful detail that many lock manufacturers neglect. Another significant aspect of the Sportneer U Lock is its ease of use. The lock comes with a reliable key mechanism that operates smoothly, which is crucial when you're in a hurry or dealing with cold weather. The keys are also designed to be durable, reducing the likelihood of bending or breaking, a common issue with cheaper locks. Furthermore, the lock includes a protective sleeve that aids in preventing the shackle from scratching your bike, ensuring that your ride remains in pristine condition. The size of the lock is also worth mentioning. With dimensions that provide ample space to secure your bike frame and one wheel to a solid object, the Sportneer U Lock is versatile enough to fit most bike types and sizes. Whether you have a road bike, mountain bike, or a cruiser, this lock offers sufficient clearance for secure locking. This versatility makes it an appealing option for a wide range of cyclists. In terms of portability, the Sportneer U Lock includes a mounting bracket, allowing you to attach it to your bike frame easily. This feature proves invaluable for those who prefer not to carry their lock in a backpack or purse. The bracket is secure and doesn't rattle during rides, providing a seamless experience from start to finish. The lock's weight, while substantial, is manageable for most riders, striking a balance between strength and portability. Security experts have noted that U locks are one of the most effective types of bike locks available, and the Sportneer model is no exception. In tests, the lock has demonstrated resistance against common theft methods, which is reassuring for any cyclist who has experienced bike theft in the past. While no lock can guarantee complete security, the Sportneer U Lock significantly lowers the risk, making it a worthwhile investment for those who frequently park their bikes in high-risk areas. The value for money offered by the Sportneer U Lock is another aspect that stands out. Priced competitively within the market, it offers features and durability typically found in more expensive locks. When you consider the cost of replacing a stolen bike, investing in a reliable lock like this becomes a no-brainer. The manufacturer also provides excellent customer service, with a warranty period that adds an extra layer of confidence in your purchase. However, it's worth noting that while this lock excels in many areas, it may not be the best fit for every user. Those looking for a lightweight option for short trips may find it a bit cumbersome. Additionally, if you frequently need to lock multiple bikes or your bike in very tight spaces, you might need to consider a more flexible locking solution, such as a chain lock or a cable lock. In conclusion, the Sportneer Bike Lock Heavy-Duty Anti-Theft Bike U Lock is an exceptional choice for cyclists who prioritize security and durability. With its heavy-duty construction, weather-resistant design, and user-friendly features, it